We're looking at a 42 UHO-30 flap gate, aluminum flap gate. Today's taping is going to be about the adjustment of the retainer bars, adjustment of the rubber on the 42 inch, why it needs to be adjusted, and the circumstances leading up to the adjustment of the gate after it's been in the field for a year, sometimes less, sometimes more. Today we're going to talk about the seal adjustment on this 42 inch UHO-30 flap gate. John here, he's right in the middle of adjusting this rubber seal. And what happens is, if we're looking over a period of time, we've got a hinge pin right here, a brass hinge pin. This hinge pin wears after a while. It causes the gate lid to slumber just a little bit. Even though the way the gate is configured and the way the gate is made, it's pretty much always going to find center. It can still be out of adjustment as far as the rubber is concerned though. So we'd have to call that hinge pin wear over a period of time. As you looked at the first part of the video, you've seen the dome cover. The dome cover, this is 6061 T6 aluminum. It's construction aluminum. It's used virtually wherever aluminum is used on the planet as far as building construction. T6 is made for this type of gate. And in the field, what you find, other than hinge pin wear, as the gate swings open, this gate can get anything from diapers to 4x4s to large sticks, logs, anything caught between the gate, the lid, and the seal. And we know what that can do to neoprene, as well as damage the neoprene. It can take the neoprene out of adjustment. And this is a one-way flap gate. All the head pressure, all the water pressure is going to be from this side, pushing the cover up against the gate. And even though it does that, if the seal is out of adjustment, there's the possibility of a leak. And if you get a little leak, adjustability has the same adjustability as our standard 24 inch or 36 inch UH-30 canal gate. This is a flap gate, but the adjustment's the same on the flap gate as well as the canal gate. There's something else too. We build the same gate in stainless steel, 304 stainless steel and 316 stainless steel. You know, stainless is a lot heavier gate, so the aluminum gate is going to be a little bit more sensitive when it comes to adjustment because of the lightness of the gate. This gate here weighs, the cover itself, weighs in the neighborhood of 30 to 60 pounds. Where if you have a stainless steel cover, it's going to weigh in the excess of 75 to 125 pounds, depending on the thickness of the lid. Even though it's got a dome shape and it's strong, it always finds center. There's still a chance it could knock that rubber out of alignment, tear the rubber, anything of that nature. As all of you know, that in the field during storm times or any time, you can find things trapped inside gates. This goes along with our other videos as far as adjustments goes. We've got a retainer in the back, we've got retainer bolts, and right now John's tapping on the back of this rubber to bring the rubber up flush again with the cover. I can lift the cover here a little bit and you can see the rubber. See, the rubber there is just, that rubber is meeting the back of that cover. Right here, it's a little ways off. That's what John's doing. But as you can see, pulling that gate apart and from the cover, it automatically finds center again. And on the UHO, whether it's stainless, whether it's aluminum, carbon, it makes no difference. All the adjustments the same. Getting that neoprene seal back up to the back of that cover. And again, if you have any questions on the adjustment on this gate and how it's adjusted along with the other gates, the wear in the pin, please feel free to call Mechanical Associates at any time. Talk to a technician, and we'll help you all we can. There shouldn't be a problem with the rubber adjustment. We just want to make that real clear to everybody that it isn't hard, and you can maintain adjustment on your rubber at all time, even if you're dealing with logs or tin cans or branches off trees, whatever the case may be. So if you have any questions, feel free to call the company, and we'll help you out all we can, either in the field or on the phone. Okay? Thank you very much.